Saħħa, reżiljenza, grazzja. Il-pjazza Tritoni fil-Belt inbidlet f'gallerija miftuħa tal-arti bil-wirja fotografika Women, Grace Above the Battle tal-fotografu ġurnalist rinomat Iranjan Franċiż Reza Deghati bħala parti mill-Multa Biennale 2026, l-esibizzjoni bl-appoġġ tal-Kunsill Malti għall-Arti. Ritratti miġbura minn bosta kontinenti tul 20 ta' snin jiffokaw fuq l-esperjenzi tan-nisa f'ambjenti differenti, juru kemm nisfidu anke reżiljenza tagħhom. Il-tqajna ma' Reza stess fi pjazza Tritoni sibni josserva b'attenzjoni il-mod kif ir-ritratti tiegħu qegħdin jintlaqgħu mill-pubbliku.
When you are in front of these pictures, you got such an emotion that you understand the suffering of those people. And I am always there. I am with them, I am standing with them, I am living with them. And obviously, I am also somehow understanding their suffering.
Reza Deghati huwa eżiljat mill-Iran u ilu jgħix Pariġi għal diversi snin.
What is going on in Iran now, it is totally unhuman, you know. I have never been out, even if 47 years I haven't been back to Iran, but all my works somehow was all around Iran.
Reza li mexxa diversi proġetti filantropiċi ma' tfal f'komunitajiet vulnerabbli. Ifisser il-fotoġurnaliżmu bħala mezz qawwi biex iwassal stejjer umani.
When I see their stories impacting people, when I see that their stories somehow making people to take actions about their lives, and that's why I am ready still getting their voice out. I somehow, you know, I'm the voice of the voiceless people. That's what I do.
Il-wirja tibqa' miftuħa sa 12 ta' Aprilu fl-istess spazju qed jintwera xogħol ta' 5 fotografi Maltin. Charles Mifsud, Joe Smith, Darren Zamitlupi, Lorella Castillo u Angie Conti.